Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you project overview of Arihant Advika by Arihant Superstructure. As you can see, I'm standing at the sales office. Right besides me is the actual land parcel as well. Have a look at the land parcel. Also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood. So this road leads you directly to the main road. In this video, we are going to be talking about the following points, including project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, launch discounts, offers, and many more. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now, you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 3.75 acres with 2 towers, ground plus 26 floors within configuration of 2 and 3 BHK. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Sector 9 Vashi with Sion Panvel Highway at a distance of just 4 minutes, Thane Belapur Highway at a distance of 4 minutes and Vashi Railway Station at a distance of just 5 minutes. School, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Talking about amenities, this project has 25 plus ultra luxurious amenities including Olympic size swimming pool, multi-purpose court, kids play area, banquet hall and many more. Talking about carpet area, this project has 2 configuration, 2 and 3 BHK where 2 BHK is ranging from 656 square feet to 770 square feet and 3 BHK ranging from 807 square feet to 1020 square feet. Talking about booking process, our booking process is now open. Clients are requested to come and visit the site where our sales team will help you with the exact project details. We'll also show you the actual flat and the sample flat, help you with the payment and EMI schemes, and then if clients like the project, we can move ahead with the token amount. The token amount for this project is going to be 10% of the agreement value. So everyone, this was the project overview of Arihant Advika by Arihant Superstructure. To get more information about this very amazing property, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.